What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So since the OxygenOS 16 have been released, a lot of users are facing many issues. On few devices, AI services are not working, on few devices, themes are not working, and similar way, there are many more issues. But OnePlus have released the All About OxygenOS November 2025 in which they have answered few questions like the issues and when they'll be fixed. So in this video, let's talk about those issues, what users are facing, and whether those issues will be fixed or not. But before that guys, if you find a content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. One thing which I would like to mention you guys, that OnePlus have temporarily paused the AI services on OnePlus smartphone. If you guys are not aware about the latest controversy of OnePlus AI, or you can say Oppo AI, wherein users, whenever they used to type words like Arunachal, so the AI doesn't used to respond, it used to crash automatically. And once this thing got highlighted on internet, then OnePlus had no other option to stop the AI services temporarily. You guys let me know on your device whether AI services are working or not. Now it's not particular to those words, but the entire AI is not working, specifically the AI writer feature. If it's still working on your device, let me know in the comment section below. Then OnePlus have also replied for the NFC not working after the update of OxygenOS 16. And yes, this issue even I faced on my OnePlus 12. Once I tried making the payment using NFC, but it wasn't happening. I thought maybe device specific issue, but now after their post, I got to know that it's not a device specific issue, it's an issue on OxygenOS 16. And it's not on all the devices, on other devices like OnePlus 13 and even on my OnePlus 15, NFC is working fine. Then few users also had issues related to clicking the desktop widget menu. I personally never had any kind of issues like that, but if you guys are facing this issue, you guys can follow these things, like just go to the settings, apps, app management, and from there click the three dots in the top right corner and select show system. From there, search self, and in the search box, click disable and enable it once. That should fix this issue if you guys are facing it. And another major issue which I have been facing on my OnePlus 12, and that's related to 5G connectivity with my Airtel SIM card. I did check out with my Jio SIM card, but there were no issues. But particularly with Airtel SIM card, it's very hard to get the 5G signals. Either it stays on 4G, once or twice, even if it's connected to 5G, the network disappears immediately. But OnePlus have acknowledged this thing and they say it will be fixed with the upcoming update. Also another issue which users were facing, and that's related to double pressing the power button to open camera application. Some were reporting that it's grayed out after restarting. So OnePlus have mentioned about it. You can go to the accessibility settings and you can restart the double click power button to open camera and continue using that feature. So if you guys are facing that issue, just follow what they have mentioned. Also, we have been seeing a lot of comments regarding the live alert feature. On most of the devices it do works, and in few devices it doesn't work. I mean things like sports from Google and even the map application, or you can say navigation. People have been reporting even on our videos that these features are not working on their device. So OnePlus have mentioned about that. It's a compatibility issues with the third-party applications, and with the upcoming updates they will fix this thing. And after that, even you guys can enjoy these services. So wait for some time. With the upcoming updates, these things will start working on your devices. And I've been also seeing few comments on our videos regarding the wallpapers missing on OxygenOS 16. I mean inside the Flux theme. Even OnePlus have noticed that thing and they have taken a feedback. As per them, those things will be again fixed with the upcoming updates. So you guys don't have to worry about it. Do not install any third-party application or extract the APKs from the other devices and then install it. That might cause issues on your device. So better to wait for OnePlus official updates, and you guys would have all the required wallpapers on your device. And OnePlus have also mentioned the last question, and that's related to overlapping of keyboard on the navigation bar. On my devices, I have not seen these issues, but if you guys have been facing these issues, OnePlus says they have identified the cause, and again they'll be delivering an update very soon about it. And few more issues which I personally have been noticing in the comments, those are related to battery drain, heating of the devices. Now one by one, I'll be doing the in-depth reviews of all the devices. Tomorrow we'll be dropping the in-depth review of OnePlus 12. Only few gaming tests are left. Other than that, we have almost done with entire testing. If you guys are not aware, in our in-depth reviews, we do talk about the camera improvements, battery, general stability, performance part, and more. So you guys can drop your comment with your device name if you guys are facing any kind of issues on your device, or I mean the bug, so that before posting a review, I can thoroughly check my device whether that issue is present on my device or not. If it's present on multiple devices, we can always give a feedback. So guys, this was all about what OnePlus have mentioned and the issues which I have been facing, and information about the OnePlus AI. If you guys still have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.